doing with this?
The wild little Misty.
Let me get up in there. Excuse me.
Alright, Misty. Come on.
Let's go. I got you. I got you. Be careful.
That's what we call a 3 a.m. fishing trip right there.
Well, I tell you what, did we have a day. Man, we fished, and wouldn't you know, we caught fish. That's what it's all about.
There you go. Cool. Just the same as the Chinese. To build a good fire, you don't need 3,000 pounds of gas. You just need a lot of little wood that's dry, a wide variety of different types of wood. You have short wood, long wood, black wood, white wood, yellow wood, all the woods of the world. Take all your little ones that you broke off the branches and all that shit. And argue with a string. You want like paper products, or if you have dryer sheets, tampons, anything burnable really, you're going to want to put that in the middle. Or if you have ponderosa pine, where you are, the sap is highly flammable. I don't want a bunch of this bramble. Even smaller kindling.
Hammock's done?
Barrier, so I can just like inferno that side.